A man walks into a high street job centre plus. Inside, the lights come on. A clock reads 10 minutes to 9.
Thank you so much for supporting people during this difficult time.
Work coaches are meeting. Hand sanitizer is used.
It's Ola calling from the job centre.
We want to see where you are at the moment, what jobs you can look out for.
People walk in marked safety channels. A customer with a pram sits nervously with Ola, a work coach.
Would you like us to continue this conversation in a private room?
Ola takes the customer to a private room to continue their conversation. Other work coaches are on the phone.
Let me know if you need anything.
It's 5 minutes to 1. Ola opens a microwave and reads his book, A Locker Shakes. People are typing and writing.
This was pre-COVID, so you could shake people's hands.
Work coaches are meeting.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's wellbeing session.
Work coaches are doing exercises at their desks and on a video call. The work coach is sat with a customer.
Template of the CV.
Ola is hosting a CV writing workshop. Other work coaches continue to speak to customers
All right then.
and joke with each other. It's 4:30.
And you went to the assessment.
A work coach picks up the phone to a customer.
I got the job.
He smiles broadly. Ola opens an envelope and contains a thank you card. Ola is happy. Ola is readying to leave, as are some of his colleagues.
Good night, peeps.
Outside, they address camera.
Make a difference.
Make a difference.
Make a difference.
Become a Job Centre work coach. Apply today at gov.uk/work coach.